Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of this starter for the game Fight Your Friends. Back of the box we can read: build a crew, call the shots, fight your friends. Are you cunning and tech savvy, wealthy and well organized, a mystical descent of an ancient bloodline? In Fight Your Friends, take command of competitors from three orders, each with their own strength and weakness. From those fighters, strategically create the ultimate crew and brawl with your buddies to see who earns the gold and glory. So this is the core set with the 60 unique cards. So let's see what we can find in this package. First of all, I would like to thanks to Malaquias from Duelos de Honra, a game store from Amadora, Portugal, that makes this video available for us. So here we have the rules. Well illustrated. Nice art in this. So this is a kind of a short book of rules with 12 pages. Now here we have 2 packs of cards. So let's see if I can open this. Here we go. So I'm going to open the second one also. Okay. So let's see the cards. So here we have King, Kitty Williams, Lucy, Mercy Sparks, Metal Call, Moon Girl, and great art in these cards: Mothman, Mr. Sweet, Muriel, Naomi, O.G. Wildbird, Oliver Sleet, Ozoan, Queen Bee, Red, Red Death, Red Riding Hood, Rhiannon Bishop, Sashi, Shafir Spectre, Scorch, Charizard, Starling, Daisy Crazy, the Baron, the Collector, Vesper, Viadorado, Wino, Zombie Foley. Second pack: Absco Cash, Agent, Albert Alien, Alicent Thunderland, and Bonnie, Elk, Bad Joe, Bad Wolf, Bloody Mary, Boogeyman, Brisk Summer, Bro J, Chaos, Chuck and Shauna, Colonel Cobb, Carrick, Critter, Darby, Dorothy Gale, Dr. Rizel, Alisong, Fable, Gagawin, Gnomedic, Jalin Toyan, Jamie Luke, Jennifer Crush, Joan of Arc, Kyle Donovan, Catherine Moore, and that's it. All the 60 cards that comes with this starter. First impression, of course, great art in these cards. Amazing. Nice. So, this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.